Starting and growing a business in 2025 looks different than it did 5 years ago. AI is making it easier to work efficiently, not just harder. This is something that I focus on every single day. In fact, I wrote a book about it. Today, I'm sharing AI best practices and tools to help you save time, improve productivity, and scale your business. These are practical strategies that will make a real impact, I hope. Let's do it. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist who helps entrepreneurs and creators build, market, and monetize their businesses. On this channel, I share strategies that you can apply right away. So if that sounds good to you, hit subscribe and let's get started. Time is your most valuable resource as an entrepreneur. AI can help eliminate unnecessary tasks so you can focus on what matters most. Tracking how you spend your time is the first step, and I use an app like EverHour to start and stop the timer directly in my browser so it's easy, and then at the end of the week, I review where my time went. This process helps me decide what to keep doing, what to delegate, and what to automate. If I'm spending too much time on admin work, for example, like responding to sponsorship requests, I automate it with an AI-generated email template. A few minutes saved here and there add up to hours in a single week, and especially over the course of a month or two. One area where AI saves me the most time is email management. AI-powered inbox tools help sort, prioritize, and even draft responses based on previous emails. If you are drowning in emails, this can be a game changer. There are many tools on the market for this. You can also automate scheduling with AI assistants, which removes the back and forth when booking calls or meetings. There are so many great tools out there. Another simple but effective AI automation is transcription tools. If you create content, AI can turn long videos and meetings into short, actionable notes, or even blog posts. I'm a big fan of Descript for this specifically. This keeps everything documented without extra effort. Now, no matter how much you automate, some things require a strong foundation, like setting up your business properly. This, my friends, is where LegalZoom comes in. If you've been sitting on a big idea and you're finally ready to launch that business that you've been dreaming about, I've got something you need to hear. Every day I talk to small business owners and creators who are ready to make moves, but they're stuck. Not because they don't have a great idea, but because they don't know where to start. And honestly, I get it. The legal stuff, setting up your LLC, making sure you're compliant, it can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be. LegalZoom makes it easy to start your business the right way. Whether you're launching a freelance gig, an e-commerce brand, or a creative business, LegalZoom gives you step-by-step tools to set up your LLC quickly and confidently. Here's what I love. If you're someone who wants to DIY it, LegalZoom's tools guide you through the process so that you know you're doing it right. And if you have questions, they have experts on hand to help you out. It's peace of mind and time saved so you can focus on exciting parts of your business, not the paperwork. Starting your LLC isn't just about checking a box, it's about creating a solid foundation for your business, something that protects you, makes you look professional, and sets you up for success. So if 2025 is the year that you're ready to go all in on your business, don't wait. LegalZoom makes it simple to start strong. I'll leave the link in the description below. Click it to get set up and take that first step toward turning your goals into a reality. Trust me, once you take that first step, you'll wonder why you waited so long. LegalZoom makes it easy to start your LLC and start building your business that you've been dreaming of. Okay, let's keep going. Once your business is legally set up, the next step is growth. AI helps create content, refine targeting, and segment audiences more effectively. I use Adobe Express to create graphics, presentations, and social media content quickly. AI speeds up design without sacrificing quality. Another way that AI can help is repurposing content. AI-powered tools can help take long-form video or blog posts, turn it into multiple short-form pieces for social media or even ad campaigns. This can help you stay visible across platforms, even multiple languages, without spending extra time creating from scratch. If you run ads, let's talk about that. AI can help optimize campaigns by analyzing performance in real time. Instead of guessing which ad works best, AI continuously adjusts and improves targeting so that your budget goes further. The key is using AI to handle repetitive tasks while you focus on strategy. AI-powered financial tools make it easy to track income, forecast revenue, and even manage cash flow. I use Xero for bookkeeping and for invoicing, very helpful for my clients around the world, and it gives me a real-time snapshot of my finances, which I appreciate. For tax preparation, I use Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant. This helps me combine, scan, organize, and feel totally prepared to have all my documents in one place for tax season. Organizing finances leads to better decisions. Also, AI can help eliminate guesswork, and a tool like Adobe Acrobat means that you can do it totally safe and securely. I also use AI to set revenue goals. AI-powered analytics tools can predict future cash flow based on trends in your business. This helps you plan better and avoid surprises when it comes to expenses and scaling decisions. Also, if you work with clients, AI can help you automate invoice tracking and payment reminders. No more chasing unpaid invoices. AI keeps everything running smoothly. Seriously, I mean, we know AI is transforming how businesses operate nowadays. The most successful entrepreneurs use AI alongside the right foundational tools like LegalZoom to set themselves up for success. Be sure to click the link in the description to learn more about how LegalZoom can help you form your LLC and so much more. Get started with that business the right way. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. I share strategies like these every week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.